Okay, good morning everyone. Today we'll do numericals on the basis of both the laws of Faraday's. It's Faraday's first law of electrolysis and second law of electrolysis. Although our mainly numericals are related to first law of electrolysis, okay, because second law it's an extension of first law, तो उसमें टेंशन लेने की इतनी ज़रूरत नहीं. If you know first law, तो second law is easy. Okay, so mainly your question belongs to first law. Okay, before I start with numerical, first of all, short revision of that formula. Hope so all of you have learned that formula. Okay, that one is, if you remember what we have learned, that one is W. Okay, is directly proportional to Q. Okay, and when we remove this, your formula is that one is W is equal to Z into Q, or either you can write W is equal to Z into I into T. And as I told you, instead of this, okay, you can write what, either a small I or a small t, because I represents current and T is time, and you have to take all the units in SI units, standard form में. Okay, now in some books or sometimes it's written, don't get confused कि ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Instead of this, you can write like sometimes it's there that means instead of W you can use M. Okay, Z remains same and this one is I into T. Formula is same, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है, बस उन्होंने weight को क्या ले लिया, mass से represent कर रहे हैं. Okay, but nowadays we use W, but दोनों ही valid है, कोई सा भी ले सकते हो, it's totally your wish. Okay, now just see, if you remember that one is Z is electrochemical equivalent. This one is your first law, and if you remember second one, so what we have done, that one is Z1 upon Z2, that is equal to E1 upon E2. Okay, that one is what okay, after solving this हमें क्या मिला था, ये मिला था, and with the help of this हमने एक और चीज़ कैलकुलेट करी थी, what, that one is E is directly proportional to Z. Okay, and when you remove this sign, okay, that one is Fz, and where this F, that one is Faraday's constant. Okay, क्या पढ़ा था हमने इसमें, that one is Faraday's constant, or either you can say it's a charge on 1 mole of electron. This one is Faraday's constant. Okay, or you can write what, that one is charge on 1 mole of electron. That one is a simple Faraday's constant. This one is a charge on 1 mole of electron, and you know, one simple, it's a charge on electron is, it's a 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19, and for 1 mole, after calculating the approximate value we have for this Faraday's constant, that one is 96500 कूलम. दैट यू हैव टू लर्न. वैसे ये कई बार एग्जाम में दे भी रखी होती है, कई बार नहीं भी दे रखी होती है, बट दिस वन इज ईजी. ओके, यू कैन लर्न दिस वैल्यू, दैट इज 96500 कूलम. ओके, नाउ इन दिस वन, इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस, दैट वन इज Z इज इक्वल टू E अपॉन F. एक फॉर्मूला ये बन गया, तो वी कैन डू वन थिंग कि वी कैन पुट दिस फॉर्मूला हेयर एंड वी कैन मेक अनदर फॉर्मूला, और अदरवाइज ज़रूरत ऐसी कुछ नहीं है. वी कैन पुट अकॉर्डिंगली वट एवर इज द डिमांड ऑफ योर क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम इसमें क्या कर रहे हैं, न्यूमेरिकल कर रहे हैं. आई विल टेल यू बोथ द वेज. ठीक है, न्यूमेरिकल करने के लिए विद द हेल्प ऑफ फार्मूला एज वेल एज यूनिटरी मेथड. मोस्टली इसमें क्या मिलेगा, तुम्हें यूनिटरी मेथड मिलेगा. वट एवर यू विल फाइंड कन्वीनियंट, ओके, देन you can use that formula only, yeah, otherwise you can use unitary method. Okay, because in some question formula is easy and in some question that one is unitary method is easy. So I'll explain both the pattern to you. Okay, it's up to you, तुम कौन सा वाला उसमें क्या कर रहे हो, यूज़ कर रहे हो, but practice is required. From last 3 years इसी टाइप के क्वेश्चन आ रहे हैं इसमें. Okay, okay, 12th class. Now your first numerical is a solution of CuSO4 is electrolyzed for 10 minutes with a current of 1.5 ampere. What is the mass of copper deposited at cathode? Okay, now in this one, simple question, you have to calculate what that one is, what is the mass deposited at the cathode. Okay, now in this one, your first work is you have to write formula. कौन सा formula लिखें? That one is W, because you have to calculate mass. So W is equal to, or if you want कि I'll use that M1, that one is, okay, So W, that is equal to Z into I into T. Okay, why I'm not using Z into Q? Because Q is not given to you, but time and current is given to you. So directly I'm using this formula. Okay, now in this one, instead of this, we can write what? That one is W is equal to, instead of Z, we can write E upon F into I into T. Okay, expand कर रहे हैं formula को. Why? Because the value of Z, it depends upon different cations. आपके different जो ions होते हैं उस पर depend करता है कि what's the value of Z. It's not fixed. ये किसी के लिए fix नहीं होती, तो you have to calculate value of Z. How? Simple formula, that one is E upon F. If you remember that E is equivalent mass, equivalent weight की बात कर रहे हैं, that one is E. And how to calculate equivalent mass? That one is simple, that E is equal to, that is molar mass upon X. अगर थोड़ा सा 11th का कुछ याद आ रहा हो, when we have done normality, that one is E, molar equivalent weight. How to calculate molar mass upon, either it's in case of acid it's a basicity will take, in case of base we can take acidity, and if it's ions are present, accordingly we will take how many electrons are transferred. अब क्योंकि यहाँ पे बात किस चीज़ की हो रही है, that one is copper deposited, ठीक है, तो we are talking about electrolyte, it means we are talking about transfer of electron, कि कितने gain हो रहे हैं और कितने, ठीक है, lose हो रहे हैं. But here because it deposited at the cathode, and you know in case of cathode there is a gain of electron. Okay, तो it means whatever is the reaction, तुम्हारी reaction कौन सी बनने वाली है इसमें, that one is Cu2 positive, although it's not required to write this equation, it's totally up to you. That one is after gain of 2 electron, this one become Cu. Okay, this one is general thing कि कितने electron का transfer हुआ है, that one is 2. Okay, now you can write what, that one is W is equal to, instead of this later on you can write directly this formula, भी सिर्फ मैं expand करके बता रही हूँ. Okay, now this one is molar mass upon, that is F into X. Okay, this one is 96500, that one is I into D. Just see it's expandation of formula. Later on you can use directly this formula also. Okay, now this molar mass of copper, okay, that you know, that one is 63.5. Sometimes it's given or otherwise it's a common one, 9th class से पढ़ते आ रहे हैं, you have to learn this. That one is 63.5. कोई uncommon होगा तो that value is given to you in question paper only. Okay, now I is 1.5. Then time is given. Just see, the time is given. It's a 10-minute. Okay, you have to convert it into second standard में. ठीक है, ऐसा unit में convert करना है. So that one is 10 into 60. When you multiply it with 60, then this minute is converted into second. And X is 2. Why 2? Because number of electron transfer means इसने कितने gain किए हैं? That one is 2 electron. Okay, and that is 96500. Now this to this cancel, this to this cancel. Now after solving this value, okay, you can pause the video, solve this value. After solving this, your answer is it's a 0.296 gram. This one is your answer, and this one with the help of formula. I'll explain you unitary method also. Okay, note down this. Okay, 12th class. Now first method also it's clear to you. Now this one is second method, that one is unitary method. उसके बाद तुम लोग अप्लाई करने वाले हैं. I'll give you one question also. Okay, now just see. In this one, your question is a solution to CuSO4 is electrolyzed for 10 minutes with a current of 1.5 ampere. What is the mass of copper deposited at the cathode? Now just see. In this one, okay, suppose when this one is Cu2 positive, when there is a gain of 2 electron, then 1 mole of copper is formed. If you see, this one is simple, Cu2 positive plus gain of 2 electron, then it becomes Cu. Means when, just see, when 1 mole of Cu is formed. Okay, if you know mole, okay, that you can easily find the mass also. Okay, so for this one, simple, that one is 2 mole of electron. when gained by Cu2 positive, then it becomes 1 mole. And 2 moles means we are talking about 2F, because Faraday's constant, simple, that one is charge on 1 mole of the electron कि कितना charge है उसमें 1 mole में. Okay, so in case of 2 mole of electron, it means that one is equal to 2F. And that one is, what about the mass of copper? That one is 63. So if 2 mole required for formation of 1 mole of copper, so what about 2F? The formation of 63.5 gram, because 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 is equal to molar mass. And molar mass is equal to their atomic mass, whatever, sorry, either it's a atomic mass, it's a gram atomic mass. Okay, so gram atomic mass or whatever is their atomic mass, their value is same. So that one is 63.5. So if for 2F, okay, if there is a formation of 63.5 gram of copper, okay, means when we pass electricity of 2F, that one is 2 into 96500 coulomb. जब इतनी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोवाइड करवाएंगे, then 63.5 gram of copper is formed. This one is इतना gram of copper is formed. So what about when this much amount of current is provided? So how to calculate current? कितना current provide करना है? For that we have formula, that is Q is equal to I into T. That one is I is given to you, that is 1.5, okay, and T is 10 into 60 converted into, okay, second. Now this, for this value, okay, that one is you have to calculate mass. So in this one, that is 1.5 into 10 into 60 coulomb. Okay, that how much is there? That one is 63.5. This value goes up and this value goes down. So this one is 1.5 into 10 into 60 upon, that is 2 into 96500. Okay, so if let's see, मैंने यहाँ पे इसको solve नहीं किया. Why? Because just see in this one, okay, most of the values will cancel out. Okay, so in this one, this to this cancel, this to this cancel, okay, this to this cancel, and when you solve it, okay, so after this your answer is same, that one is 0.2, your answer is 0.29 something. Okay, now just see, your answer is 296 gram. Okay, it's the same, it's a 2.296 gram. So this one is your unitary method. Okay, and how to write this in unit, that one is language form, that also I'll give you in notes. Okay, this one is a simple method. जब फटाफट तुम्हें क्या करना है, MCQs वगैरह given है, तो ऐसे में फटाफट आंसर निकालना and you can take the correct option. Okay, and when you write for board exam and all, so you have to write in language form. That also I'll send in. Okay, you're good. Okay, now just see this question you have to solve. This one is same question, only that amount is changed. That one is find the amount of copper deposited when 5 ampere, just see current change, is used for 1 hour to electrolyze CuSO4 solution. Atomic weight of Cu is given to you, okay, 63.5 gram. Okay, and 1F is equal to 96500 coulomb. Okay, this question is same. Try and solve it and send your answer to me also.